Hi, my name is Kalen here at EZBike Canada, and today we just received a shipment of the Aventon Ramblas, the newest bike from Aventon in 2024. My personal most exciting part about this bike is that this is Aventon's first mid-drive e-bike. Most of the e-bikes that Aventon has launched are all rear hub motors, so getting into the mid-drive space is definitely something revolutionary for Aventon. The Aventon Ramblas is great for all purposes, but considering that the Aventon Ramblas does start at a price point of $4,000, we do have other e-bikes available from Aventon at a much lower price point that will be much more suitable for a commuter lifestyle. I'll try to make it look as clean as possible. So when we open up the Aventon Ramblas, the first thing that we see is the Aventon Ramblas accessory kit. This comes with the charger, the reflectors, the screws, as well as the tools needed to assemble the bike. So first things first, we need to install the front wheel, and then the handlebar, then the pedals. Yeah, let's get to it. Nice and slowly not damage this $4,000 bike. So right now I'm just installing the handlebar. Basically when they come out of the box, you just need to install the handlebar, front wheel, and the connectors. So you hold this in here, get your mounting bracket, put it in here. Like that. Okay, so we just need to unscrew this out here to remove the front axle, and then we can remove this piece of cardboard and slide the front wheel in. So, flip it over. Make sure that the brake disc is on the right side. There we go. Kickstand here comes with 2 screws on the side. It is a side mounting kickstand, and the bracket for that is over here. So unfortunately, Aventon doesn't include the pedal wrench set when you buy a new bike, which I don't know why. They just stopped doing that. So when installing the pedals on any new Aventon e-bike, including the Ramblas, you will need a 15 millimeter wrench. You can use your hand at the beginning. Just like that. Put the kickstand down. There you go. So this is the dropper Seatpost on the Aventon Ramblas. To push it in, all you gotta do is push this in and it will raise up. And if you wanna push it down, when you're sitting down on it, hold it in. We'll go down and lock in place. So we're gonna go for a test ride on the Ramblas right now, and I have my colleague here, AJ.
Hey guys. Oh. All right. Very good. Yeah. Woo. Oh shit. Oh. Off-roading. All right. Oh. Okay, so basically I feel the suspension does very well in the front. It does a pretty good absorbing. The rear, I feel my butt shake a lot from the seat going up and down, touching it. So I do have to put a little bit of distance from the seat, but otherwise it feels really nice.
So the Aventon Ramblas is one of the best entry-level e-mounted bikes right now on the market, especially at a $4,000 price point. It is one of the more affordable e-mounted bikes available currently right now. If you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, please let us know in the comments below. And also, if you have any questions about the bike, we would always be happy to answer them.